Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Preschool Art Kit is probably one of the most exciting and beneficial tools you can introduce to your little ones, offering a gateway to creativity, fine motor skill development, and hours of imaginative fun. This kit is designed to spark joy and learning through a variety of engaging art supplies, making it an ideal choice for parents and educators looking to foster a child's artistic expression and cognitive growth in a safe and stimulating way. Number 5. Crayola Inspiration Art Case Coloring Set, Tie-Dye. Introducing the Crayola Inspiration Art Case, a vibrant 140-piece art set designed for young creators. It's packed with everything they need to bring their imagination to life. This colorful tie-dye case is built for adventure. Its durable design makes it easy to take their art supplies anywhere, ensuring creativity can strike on the go. Inside, they'll find 40 washable markers, 20 colored pencils, 64 crayons, and large paper. It's a complete collection of safe and non-toxic tools for any project. With a wide spectrum of colors, from bold to subtle, their artwork will truly stand out. Let their imagination run wild with endless possibilities. Everything stays neatly organized in its dedicated compartments. This makes it simple for kids to find exactly what they need, when they need it. Ideal for art class, home projects, or holiday crafts, this set makes a fantastic gift. It's a wonderful way to inspire creativity all year round. What we like. This comprehensive art set offers a vast array of supplies for endless creative possibilities. It's designed for easy transport and organization, making it ideal for kids who love to create anywhere. If you're looking for a complete art kit that keeps everything tidy and is ready for on-the-go creativity, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The kit includes a wide variety of art supplies such as crayons, markers, paint, and construction paper, offering endless creative possibilities for young children. Each item in the kit is designed to be child-friendly, with non-toxic materials and easy-to-grip tools that are perfect for little hands. The art kit comes in a sturdy, organized box that makes storage and cleanup a breeze, keeping all the supplies neatly in one place. Number 4. BAODLON Dinosaur Painting Kit for Kids. Get ready for hours of creative fun with this exciting dinosaur painting kit. It's perfect for sparking imagination and bringing prehistoric creatures to life. This all-inclusive kit comes with everything needed to paint. You'll find multiple dinosaur figures, a variety of paints, brushes, and more, perfect for sharing. Crafted from high-quality, safe PVC, these dinosaur toys are built to last. The paints are water-based and safe for little hands, ensuring worry-free playtime. More than just fun, this kit helps children learn about colors and develop essential skills. It enhances creativity, concentration, and hand-eye coordination. Looking for a unique gift? This dinosaur painting set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion for kids aged 4 and up. Decorate your own unique dinosaurs and create a vibrant prehistoric world. The possibilities for imaginative play are endless. What we like. This kit provides a unique and engaging theme that sparks imagination with prehistoric creatures. It's perfect for children who are fascinated by dinosaurs and enjoy hands-on painting activities. If your child loves dinosaurs and you're seeking an activity that combines creative painting with educational elements, this is an excellent option. What people say. The kit includes a variety of art supplies like crayons, markers, paint, and paper, offering a comprehensive creative experience for preschoolers. The washable paint and markers are a huge plus, making cleanup easy for parents and allowing kids to explore their artistic side without worry. The included instruction booklet provides simple, age-appropriate craft ideas that guide young children through various art projects, fostering their creativity and fine motor skills. Number 3. Markers for Toddlers 1 to 3. Inspire healthy, creative expression with our markers set. Watch your little ones create colorful patterns and beautiful artwork with this complete toddler arts and crafts kit. Enjoy endless, mess-free fun with our non-toxic and washable learning toys. These premium paints ensure a safe, clean, and stain-free creative experience for your children. Improve hand-eye coordination, color recognition, and fine motor skills with these jumbo paint dotters. They are designed for little hands, making them easy to grip and use. These high-quality, water-based ink markers are long-lasting and easy to use. They dry quickly and flow smoothly for consistent, bright artwork with minimal supervision. Give the gift of quiet, screen-free activity that inspires creativity and independent play. It's a great addition to art supplies for family art time or craft projects. No need to spend more on extra accessories. Our all-inclusive art kits for kids come with everything you need to get started right away. What we like. This set is specifically designed for very young children, focusing on a simple and mess-free way to create art. The large dot markers are easy for little hands to grip and use, promoting fine motor skills. If you have toddlers or preschoolers and are looking for a safe, easy-to-clean art activity that encourages independent play, this is a perfect fit. What people say. This art kit has a wide variety of supplies, including paints, crayons, markers, and paper. The included carrying case is sturdy and makes it easy to store and transport the art supplies. The paints are washable and easy to clean up, which is a huge plus for parents. Number 2. FUNZBO Arts and Craft Supplies for Kids. Discover a world of imagination with our complete arts and craft set. It's packed with everything your child needs to bring their creative visions to life. This versatile kit is perfect for all ages and skill levels. It's a fantastic tool for sparking creativity, whether for school projects or home learning. Get ready for hours of entertainment. This set offers a diverse range of supplies, bringing unlimited fun for both kids and parents. Looking for a great gift? This is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion for children aged 4 and up. Everything stays neat and tidy with our convenient storage jar. All the supplies are easily accessible for hassle-free crafting. We are committed to providing a delightful crafting experience. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of craft materials, providing everything a child needs for numerous DIY projects. It's designed to inspire creativity across different age groups and skill levels. If you want a versatile craft set with a broad range of supplies that encourages imaginative projects and keeps everything organized, this is a great pick. What people say. The kit includes a wide variety of art supplies, such as crayons, markers, colored pencils, paint, and construction paper, providing endless creative possibilities for preschoolers. The art supplies are non-toxic and washable, making them safe for young children and easy to clean up after art sessions. The kit comes with a sturdy storage box that keeps all the supplies organized and portable, perfect for travel or keeping the playroom tidy. Number 1. Craftikit 20 award-winning animal toddler arts and crafts. Looking for the perfect gift for a creative child? This all-inclusive kit provides 20 pre-prepped, mess-free animal-themed crafts. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any time they want to get creative. Forget the hassle of gathering supplies. Each activity comes individually packaged with everything needed. This creates a convenient craft library for easy setup and storage. Many projects are designed for children ages 5 and up to complete independently. Younger ones can enjoy creative bonding time with a little help. It's a great way to build their confidence. Finding the right craft is simple with color-coded envelopes. This makes it easy to assign projects by age or interest, perfect for quick craft sessions or playdates. As they create unique animal art, kids strengthen their hand-eye coordination. They also learn to follow visual instructions and explore different textures and materials. Spark curiosity with fun animal facts included in every craft. It supports screen-free, hands-on learning about nature and science. This compact and portable kit is perfect for road trips, visiting relatives, or quiet time at home. Plus, minimal mess means less stress for parents. What we like. This kit focuses on providing a structured and convenient crafting experience with pre-made, mess-free projects. It's ideal for parents who want easy setup and cleanup, and for kids who enjoy completing distinct crafts. If you're looking for a gift that offers a variety of themed activities, encourages independent crafting, and includes educational elements, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of art supplies like crayons, markers, paint, and construction paper, providing a comprehensive set for creative activities. The washable paint is a major plus, making cleanup easy and stress-free for parents. The sturdy carrying case keeps all the supplies organized and portable, perfect for travel or keeping things tidy at home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.